Another common supplemental troll is the activity essay, which is an excellent opportunity to expand beyond the Common App's short activity descriptions. Colleges want to know the motivations behind your participation and your level of commitment to the enterprises you deem most important. How has this activity had an impact on your life? How has participation in this activity affected the lives of others? Maybe your membership in speech and debate served as the inspiration for your future pursuit of a law degree. Did your after-school volunteer work at an animal shelter bring new, furry family members into the lives of your friends and family? Has playing the guitar since you were 5 years old shown you the power of dedication and allowed you the thrill of taking part in your own garage band? This is also an excellent place to highlight your leadership skills, teamwork, and drive. But remember, show, don't tell, if you have the space. Describing how your role as captain improved communication among your cheerleading teammates is much more effective than telling admissions you are a great leader. The community essay is another standard supplemental rascal that mines for information about your social habits and favorite causes. Prompts that ask about a community you belong to often leave themselves open to interpretation. Are you part of a community of sports fans around the world who can connect with other strangers over the amazing play in a recent game? Maybe you belong to a group whose mission is to provide clean water to people around the world. One of Duke's prompts provides a great example of how a community essay might be worded. Duke University seeks a talented, engaged student body that embodies the wide range of human experience. We believe that the diversity of our students makes our community stronger. If you'd like to share a perspective you bring or experiences you've had to help us understand you better, perhaps related to a community you belong to, your sexual orientation or gender identity, or your family or cultural background, we encourage you to do so. Real people are reading your application, and we want to do our best to understand and appreciate the real people applying to Duke. As with every essay you ship off to admissions, think about something you want admissions to know that hasn't been represented. What can you expand upon to show your versatility, passion, and ability to connect with the world around you?